getting closer.
We're about to destroy the windshield.
It's punching. There's more stuff.
You just smashed your windscreen.
Here we go again. Joel, we gotta get to this road and go south.
Fly through this.
Alright, here's the option. We can keep.
Oh my god.
This is nearly as big as Missouri.
Bigger than that, I think. Oh, we got this destroyed one right. Jeez.
Oh!
Oh my god. That came through the ceiling. Keep going, Joel! Alright, we gotta keep going.
Oh!
No. That's glass.
We can't.
Alright, coming in. Shut your eyes. Keep your f***ing eyes shut. I got glass in my eyes, I think. Yeah.
Oh my god. Jeez.
What did we lose? Back window. Keep your eyes shut. Shield your eyes. But I got destroyed.
Yeah, exactly. Just sit it out.
Yeah, poison gas. Ah!
Light the window up now. Martin, there's the top of the
Your eyes
box.
covered.
You want to take some and shove them over the top of them?
Yes.
Pillows, get the jumpers.
Martin, put your bike helmet on. I need that bike helmet back here. I don't have any protection.
Oh shit, don't say that's coming this way.
Is that a tornado?
What? Yeah, I mean, this thing wrapped up several times and it had a couple chances, but yeah, we just got pounded in the ass. Bad. I mean, this car is ugly.
You okay?
Yeah. You got it in your eye?